What do you call a robot that can walk, crawl, and run? A transformer? No, it's Boston Dynamics' new Atlas. Built by a team pushing humanoid robotics to the edge, this generation is faster, smoother, and far better at moving like us. With billions poured into hardware and mechanics that rival elite athletes, it's no surprise Atlas unsettles people. Something about it feels wrong, and that raises a troubling question. Are we creating tools to ease human life or constructing physically superior replacements in motion right now, before our eyes? The earliest Atlas robots were awkward machines that relied on external power and struggled with even simple movements. During the 1980s and 1990s, Boston Dynamics focused primarily on quadruped robots, building bulky mechanical frames that could run, hop, and jump but looked far from graceful. The company began gaining wider public attention in the early 2000s, when robots like Cheetah and Spot Mini went viral and introduced their work to a mainstream audience. The Cheetah robot became especially famous after reaching a record speed of 28.3 miles per hour, making it Boston Dynamics' fastest-running quadruped and roughly half a mile per hour faster than Usain Bolt's fastest 20-meter sprint. That achievement was made possible in large part by funding from the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA. The same agency also supported the creation of Spot Mini, a smaller version of the Spot Dog capable of operating for 90 minutes on a single charge. Weighing only 65 pounds, it was the smallest four-legged robot of its kind when it debuted in 2018. Despite its size, it carried multiple depth cameras, a solid-state gyro, and proprioceptive sensors, allowing it to walk autonomously and stand out as one of the most advanced quadruped robots of its era. Even with these successes, Boston Dynamics struggled to transfer its achievements from four-legged robots to humanoid designs. When the first Atlas prototype launched in 2013, DARPA program manager Gil Pratt compared it to a one-year-old child that could barely walk. That early Atlas looked nothing like the sleek machine seen today. Standing 6 feet tall and weighing 330 pounds, it appeared more industrial than human, with exposed wiring, hydraulic systems, and a heavy metallic frame. Its boxy torso housed basic sensors that guided its oversized feet as it moved forward with visible effort. When Boston Dynamics unveiled its early bipedal robot, the New York Times described it as a giant but unsteady step toward the long-anticipated age of humanoid machines. Over time, however, the company steadily refined Atlas's mobility and dexterity, with each version showing measurable improvement. In 2016, they released the first fully untethered bipedal robot capable of walking across rough terrain like snow. Enhanced LiDAR stereo sensors in its body and legs allowed it to recover after being knocked down, springing upright like a jack-in-the-box. By 2017, Atlas's agility had increased dramatically. A new video revealed it jumping over obstacles, turning sharply, and even performing a backflip. In 2020, it demonstrated coordinated dance routines alongside another Atlas unit. The following year, it reached a new milestone by running through a full parkour course, navigating beams, vaults, and jumps with fluid motion that felt almost playful. With every redesign, Atlas became sleeker and more modern, reaching a new peak in appearance and functionality when Boston Dynamics transitioned from hydraulic systems to a fully electric design in 2024. Free from bulky hydraulics, the newest Atlas is leaner, quieter, and more compact, making it easier and safer for humans to work alongside. The electric system also improves energy efficiency, allowing the robot to perform more precise movements while consuming far less power. The lighter build gives Atlas a wider range of motion and greater durability, enabling movements that more closely resemble human flexibility. One of the most striking improvements is how natural its motion appears. Advanced computer vision and deep learning allow Atlas to adapt instantly to its surroundings, smoothing every step and shift of balance. In recent footage, Atlas leans forward as it runs and tucks its torso as it slows, movements that feel unsettlingly human. Watching it drop to its hands and knee before breakdancing, crawl on all fours, or hold a handstand with athletic grace is both mesmerizing and deeply eerie. One of the most striking upgrades in Atlas's electric models is its full 360-degree rotation at the hips, waist, arms, and neck. These joints do more than make the robot more flexible than the average human, they make its movements mesmerizing to watch. In the full demonstration video, Atlas freely swivels its hips during a handstand, smoothly transforming the motion into a round-off before standing upright with its head facing backward, creating a moment that feels both impressive and deeply unsettling. Boston Dynamics attributes these eerily human-like motions to a blend of athletic intelligence and model predictive control. In simple terms, Atlas learns by observing how humans and other robots move, allowing it to predict how its body should react in real time. By linking advanced AI perception with control systems, Atlas can adapt instantly to uneven terrain or moving objects. Depth sensors play a crucial role here, ensuring the robot continuously sees and responds to its surroundings while in motion. To perform these athletic feats with such precision, Atlas relies on a powerful computing platform known as Jetson Thor. This capability comes from Boston Dynamics' collaboration with NVIDIA, one of the world's leading computer hardware manufacturers. Despite recent reports of fluctuations in NVIDIA's stock value, the company remains a dominant force in producing the technology that enables robots like Atlas to jump, crawl, and run with incredible control. Through this partnership, Boston Dynamics became one of the first companies to integrate NVIDIA's Isaac GR00T framework into its robots. Jetson Thor's compact design allows it to fit seamlessly within Atlas while connecting directly to its full body and manipulation controllers. According to Boston Dynamics' Chief Technology Officer, Aaron Saunders, integrating Jetson Thor gives Atlas the highest performance computing platform ever used in a humanoid robot. He notes that Isaac Lab enables the development of state-of-the-art AI capabilities, and the early results are already impressive. Isaac Lab itself is a unified modular framework designed for reinforcement learning and motion planning. Essentially, it functions like a hyper-realistic video game built for robots, complete with detailed environments and rapid simulations that help machines learn how to operate in the real world. It plays a role similar to a driving simulator, allowing robots to train safely before entering real-world environments. One of Isaac Lab's biggest advantages is its flexibility, making robot training far more efficient and cost-effective. Within this system, robots can learn tasks like cleaning, handling laundry, or moving objects without repeated physical testing. Because it is open source, developers can train robots alongside platforms like Boston Dynamics' Spot and Unitree's G1, pushing the limits of dexterous movement. It was likely through repeated simulations in Isaac Lab that Unitree Robotics trained its G1 humanoid to perform a groundbreaking side flip, highlighting how important Boston Dynamics' partnership with NVIDIA has become. All of this training is built on NVIDIA's Isaac Sim, which allows developers to create expansive virtual environments using OpenUSD. Isaac Sim serves as the foundation of Isaac Lab, enabling teams to simulate, test, and refine AI-driven robotic behavior before deploying it in the physical world. To understand how this works, imagine training a robot to pick up a box. Isaac Sim generates a hyper-realistic environment where the object appears in countless positions, textures, and lighting conditions. Inside Isaac Lab, the robot receives instructions and feedback as it repeatedly attempts the task. Together, these systems form a reinforcement learning loop that ensures the robot can reliably perform the same action in real-world conditions. After this training, robots like Atlas and Unitree's G1 can execute backflips and side flips with astonishing human-like precision. Beyond flashy demonstrations, Atlas is primarily designed for search and rescue missions. It can navigate unstable terrain, move through complex environments, and manipulate objects, which explains why DARPA continues investing millions to improve its strength, endurance, and accuracy. When fully deployed, Atlas is expected to carry supplies and assist first responders in disaster zones. Multiple robots working together could prove invaluable during evacuations caused by wildfires or hurricanes. Beyond emergencies, Atlas can also reduce workplace injuries by handling repetitive, dull, or dangerous tasks. Boston Dynamics has already shown Atlas working in Hyundai facilities, lifting, carrying, and placing objects along assembly lines to automate manufacturing processes. Despite these achievements, Boston Dynamics struggled for years to recreate smooth, human-like motion and only reached these breakthroughs recently. Watching Atlas climb rubble, leap obstacles, and perform tasks once reserved for humans is undeniably impressive, yet unsettling. In a 2024 video, the fully electric Atlas lies face down, folds its legs backward, rises effortlessly, swivels its head and waist 180 degrees, and marches forward, revealing a level of freedom that may already surpass our reactions, however, were sharply divided. In a Verge article titled "Boston Dynamics' New Atlas Robot is a Swiveling, Shape-Shifting Nightmare," Jess Weatherbed described it as deeply unsettling and likened its movements to a Cronenberg-style body horror film. Commenters echoed that discomfort, ranging from humor to outright dread. One joked, "This is the final evolution of the Pixar lamp," while others agreed it was nightmare-inducing. Similar reactions followed a March 19, 2025 video showing Atlas walking, running, and crawling using reinforcement learning trained on human motion. Viewers joked that its growing agility signaled the end times. One wrote, "It's been nice watching the origin story of our apocalypse these past 20 years, while another added, "It was nice knowing you all." Not every response was negative. Some praised Boston Dynamics' progress and the natural quality of Atlas's movement. One commenter called it the smoothest humanoid walk and run they had ever seen. Another noted how easy it was to forget the years of work behind such fluid motion. These mixed reactions raise a larger question about where Atlas is leading us. Will humans and physically superior humanoid assistants coexist peacefully? Or are we watching Skynet take shape in real time? If conflict is inevitable, Boston Dynamics may not be the only company involved. Other humanoid projects are advancing just as quickly. Clone Robotics Clone Alpha uses a biomimetic design that closely mirrors human muscular and vascular systems. The company has already begun accepting pre-orders, suggesting mainstream release may not be far off. That timeline could overlap with Tesla's humanoid Optimus. In 2024, Elon Musk stated Tesla would deploy useful humanoid robots internally, with broader production expected by 2026. By 2030, humanoid robots may become common in forward-thinking workplaces. Apptronik is also making progress, testing its Apollo robot with Mercedes-Benz on factory floors. CEO Jeff Cardenas believes humanoids should fit anywhere humans can and use the same tools. Designing robots this way avoids rebuilding the world around machines. But if robots fit perfectly, where do displaced humans go? With companies like BMW also deploying humanoid AI in factories, that question is approaching fast. Even more unsettling is the possibility of robots building other robots. Autonomous manufacturing already hints at a future of robotic self-replication. If that trend continues, humanoids may one day outnumber humans themselves. What now feels like spectacle may soon define daily life, reshaping labor, safety, and human relevance in subtle but permanent ways. As Atlas improves, fascination and fear will likely continue rising together. The line between helper and replacement grows thinner with every smooth, human-like step. And for many viewers, that realization is the most terrifying part of all to watch unfold right now on screen today alone. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on AI and future tech, hit like, subscribe, and join us for what's coming next.